I am seeing the rise of the robots. They'll be able to solve real challenges and to work alongside humans to help the humans do higher value work than they were doing before. Here's just a few examples. This is a valet. This will park your car for you. You'll notice that the cars are parked much closer together because there's no human that has to get in and out of the car. This is SAM 100. This is a bricklaying robot. The average human lays 500 bricks a day. SAM 100 can lay 3,000 bricks a day. Now this is still a partnership because SAM 100 is a messy robot. And the mortar squirts everywhere, so human still has to come and clean up after SAM 100 and still has to load the bricks into the machine. But the partnership of the two of them can lay 6 times as many bricks in a single day. Take a robot and give it the ability to fly, and you get a drone. And drones are no longer simple things for taking photographs of the top of your house. Drones can do useful work. They're much more powerful. You can see this is a robot, a drone that is capable of pulling a person on a surfboard through the water. It's that powerful. This drone is also able to pull people out of the water and rescue them. They're starting to be able to interact with the world in new ways, not just to sort of sample the world, but to interact with them meaningfully. This is a drone with arms. This is used to help rescue people as a lifeguard. You can even get drones with flamethrower attachments. So if you are not sure what to buy someone for Christmas this year, I have an idea here for you. This is actually used in China to do useful work. When they get debris up on a power line, instead of sending somebody up on a cherry picker, they send up the drone and just burn it off. Pretty sweet. But just, yeah, imagine the fun you could have with that thing. Surprise a few neighbors. If you can start fires with drones, there's no reason why you can't put them out. This is a firefighting drone. Currently, it is controlled by a firefighter on the ground, but there's no reason why you couldn't use this to, ultimately this can become autonomous and become a team member working alongside the firefighters.